Good morning, dear students. On the today's lecture, we are going to start the concept of importance of insurance. Right? In the earlier lecture, we studied about what is the insurance is all about. Apart from that, I share the PDF with you. You can note down the notes from that PDF. Particularly after the completion of first chapter, I will submit the notes of first chapter from you students on the Google Classroom. So it is mandatory to all that you have to maintain the separate book for the COC courses, right? It will be checked after the completion of every one chapter. So mind it is not like a first year ki koni bagnar nahi kai nahi, not at all. I am the coordinator of this course and I will check all the things after the completion of each chapter. So be careful and completed your work on a daily basis, which is given the instructions which is given by that particular teacher. You have to follow all the things because these are the subject is in a English medium only, and it will be asked for the MCQ. So the notes completion is very much important. Apart from that, the learning is very much important. You have to listen the lecture, and you have to mention your name in the commenting box. Why? Because it will consider as the presentee of the student. So if you fail to mention the name in the comment box, it will definitely affect on your absentee, and if you not fulfill that presentee till 75%, we will not allow you to appear for the examination. So mind it, these are the instructions regarding COC. Okay, and now we are towards our subject is nothing but the importance of insurance. Okay, insurance, as you know, when you invest into the insurance, when you purchase the insurance policy, the main reason behind it is to get the compensation if any contingency happen in the near future. So the benefit for getting the benefit, or you can say to cover the losses which is arise due to any contingency, is nothing but the motto of the investor. So here you have to study the importance of insurance sector. First importance is to provide the safety and security. Safety means the insurance provides the financial support and reduce the uncertainty in the business and human life. It provides the safety and security against the particular event. There is always fear of the sudden losses. Insurance provide the cover against the sudden losses. For example, in case of the insurance, the financial assistance is provided to the family members of the death of his earner, or you can say the karta of the family. In this other insurance, they are provided against the loss due to fires, marine and ॲक्सिडेंट्स. आता तुम्हाला माहीतच आहे की कॉन्टिजन्सी म्हणजे संकट हे कधीही येऊ शकतं, वेदर इट इज ऑन युअर लाईफ और यू कॅन से वेदर इट इज ऑन अ general types. So whenever the contingencies came, then the insurance is very beneficial to get the compensation of it. If the earner of the particular family is died just because of the nature cause, or you can say the accidental death is there, then after his death his family totally become supportless, and due to the, if he have a insurance and with the help of the claims, they can survive, they can be the on the routine part of their life. कारण कसं होतं, एखाद्या घरातला कर्ता पुरुषच जर गेला, लक्षात ठेवा, तर त्याच्या मागची फॅमिली उघडी पडणार. आणि मग जर त्याचा इन्शुरन्स असेल तर विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दॅट मनी, I know that money is not replaced, you can say the human being is not replaced by the money, as no, but for the survival at least they require the money, and if he have a insurance, then his family member get the benefit of it after the death of the earner of the family. It is regarding to the life insurance. But when you think about the general insurance, like due to the nature cause, sometimes due to the fire, due to accident, or you can say due to natural causes, very flood, famine is there, theft is there, and due to that, when the losses are arise, then it called as the general insurance. And if you have the insurance regarding such a contingency, then you are free from the uncertainty. You are free to do the anything. You are free to take the risk regarding your business, and hence it is very much useful regarding safety and security, right? The next concept we are going to study is how it is useful to generate the financial resources. Insurance is generate the fund by collecting the premium, and these funds are invested in the government, security and stock. These funds are gainful employed in the industrial development of the country for generating the more fund and utilized for the economic development of a country. Employment opportunity are increased by the big investment leading the capital formation. आता एक लक्षात घ्या, those who are investing the money in the insurance, that fund, or you can say that premium, they are paid to the particular insurance company, and when they are paying it, always remember, when that paying it, with the help of that premium, whatever the fund is collected, it is to be used for giving the loan to the government for their infrastructural development. It is invested into the government bonds and security. These funds are gainful employed for the industrial development as well, and the country for generating the more fund and utilizing the economic development of a country. The employment opportunities also increases with the help of insurance sector, because they are generating the capital. That capital is to be invested, and if there is a huge investment in the infrastructural development, then a number of employment opportunities also increases. Means it's nothing but the responsible, directly or indirectly you can say that it is responsible for generating financial resources and employment. The third one is life insurance is encourage the saving. Okay, it encourage the saving means the life insurance does not only protect against the risk and uncertainty but also provide the investment channel too. The life insurance enable the systematic saving due to the payment of regular premium. The life insurance provide the mode of investment. It developed the habit of the saving amongst the people in the form of premium. The insured get the lump sum amount on the maturity of the contract. This life insurance is encourage the saving. You know कि due to the banking sector or the financial institutions, people are aware about the savings, but whenever they invest the money into the insurance, they get the double benefit. Double benefit in the sense they get a life coverage. If anything is happens, then the family get the benefit of it. And on the other side, if it is alive up to the maturity, then he will get that money back with the interest and bonus. So double benefit you can see there he get with the help of life insurance, right? Again I am going to revise what is the life insurance, how it is responsible for saving. Insurance does not only protect against the risk and uncertainty, but it also provide the investment channel too. The life insurance encourage the systematic saving and the payment of the regular premiums. The life insurance provide the mode of investment. It develop the habit of saving and money by paying the premiums. The insurance get the lump sum amount of the maturity of the contract. Thus the life insurance encourage the saving. Means these are the 3 points. One is provide the safety and security. Second one is generate the financial resources. Third one is life insurance encourage the saving amongst people. The next one is how the insurance is responsible for promote the economic growth. Always remember, here you can see that the explanation is given. The insurance generate the significant impact on the economy by mobilizing domestic savings. The insurance turn into the accumulation of capital and the productive investment. The insurance enable to mitigate the losses, financial stability, and promote the trade and commerce activity. Those result in the economic growth. Thus the insurance play the crucial role in the sustainable growth of the economy. Means whenever you are investing the money in the insurance, that fund is collected, fund is useful for the investment, and if the investment is increases, then the capital turn accumulation of the capital turn into the productive investment. It is responsible for reducing the mitigate loss and maintain the financial stability. Means it is indirectly helpful for economic growth. The next one is the medical support. When you think about the life insurance, always remember, it is not only related to the, you can say it is not only related to the just life or the general insurance, but medical support is to be given by the insurance policies. Here the medical insurance is considered the essential managing the risk in the health. Anyone can be the victim of the critical illness unexpectedly, and raising the medical expenses is great concern. The medical insurance is one of the insurance policy that create. Whenever you take the health insurance, anyone can now become the victim of any hazardous diseases unexpectedly, and for that treatment you require the huge amount. साधं बेसिक जरी काही झालं तरी सुद्धा तुम्हाला ह्यूज अमाऊंट फॉर द ट्रीटमेंट लागत असते. आणि मग इफ यू हॅव अ हेल्थ इन्शुरन्स दॅट डेफिनेटली यू आर बिकम द यू आर फ्री फ्रॉम द टेन्शन. Here the explanation is given that anyone can be the victim of the critical illness unexpectedly, and raising the medical expenses into the great concern. The medical insurance is one of the insurance policy that cater the different type of health service. The insured get medical support is in the case of medical insurance policies. म्हणजे कुठलाही इलनेस झाला बाबा त्याच्या ट्रीटमेंटसाठी माझ्याकडे पैसे नाही आहेत तर असं नको व्हायला. ह्याच्यासाठी जर तुमच्याकडे हेल्थ इन्शुरन्स असेल तर यू आर बिकम टेन्शन फ्री रिगार्डिंग ट्रीटमेंट. द नेक्स्ट वन इज द स्प्रेडिंग ऑफ अ रिस्क. द मेन एजंट ऑफ द रिस्क इज आपण इन्शुरन्सच्या बाबतीत बघितलेलंच होतं. इट इज द काय म्हणू शकतो द शेअरिंग ऑफ द रिस्क इज टू बी दॅट. Insurance facilitates the spreading of risk from the insured to the insurer. The basic principle of insurance is to be the spread the risk amongst the larger number of people. A larger number of people get the insurance policy and pay the premium to the insurance. Whenever the losses is occur, it is compensated but the fund of the इन्शुरन्स मीन्स इथं काय होतं आहे तर रिस्क जी काही आहे ती आपण सगळे मिळून शेअर करतो आहे त्यामुळं कोणावर लोडच येत नाही. सगळ्यांना त्याचे बेनिफिट्स तिथे मिळू शकतात. म्हणजे तुझ्याकडनं माझ्याकडनं अशा सगळ्यांकडनं जर थोड्या थोड्या अमाऊंटमध्ये प्रीमियम गोळा केला आणि त्या प्रीमियमपासून जो काही फंड साठतो दॅट फंड विल बी युटिलाइज्ड फॉर गिविंग द कॉम्पन्सेशन टू द सफरर. मीन्स हिअर there is no burden of any one implement on any one person. It is contributed by the ऑल मेंबर्स. सो त्याचं तुम्हाला रिस्क काय वाटत नाही किंवा तिथं लोक इंटरेस्टेड पण असतात कारण आज कॉम्पन्सेशनची गरज एखाद्याला असू शकते उद्या मला असू शकते वेळ कुणावरही येणार आहे. सो एव्हरीबडी इज इंटरेस्टेड एव्हरीबडी इन्वेस्ट द मनी इन टू इट बिकॉज दे नो द कॉन्टिजन्सी विल हॅपन एनी टाईम अँड फॉर दॅट कॉम्पन्सेशन एव्हरीबडी इज इंटरेस्टेड टू इन्वेस्ट द मनी ऑफ द insurance. So here the insurance facilitate the spreading the risk from the insured to the insurance. Okay, the whenever the loss occur it is compensated out of the fund of insurance. And the last is the source of collecting fund. Always remember the large fund is collected by the way of premium. These funds are utilized in the industrial development of the country. It is accelerate the economic growth as we studied in the fourth content. The employment opportunities also increased by the you can say the big investment. Thus the insurance has become the important source of capital फॉर्मेशन. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर की जो काही फंड तुमच्याकडनं कलेक्ट केला जातो आहे तो इन्शुरन्स कंपनी कशामध्ये गुंतवत असतात तर इट इज इन द प्रोडक्टिव्ह इन्व्हेस्टमेंट्स लाईक रोड डॅम्स. आता LICच्या बाबतीत तुम्ही बघताच आहे की वॉट एव्हर द फंड इज कलेक्टेड थ्रू द LIC इज गिवन टू द गव्हर्नमेंट फॉर द इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेव्हलपमेंट फॉर बिल्डिंग द रोड ब्रिज फायनान्शियल इन्स्टिट्यूट्स हॉस्पिटल्स. म्हणजे जिथं गरजेच्या सुविधा आहेत त्या सुविधा बांधण्यासाठी जो सरकारला पैसा लागतो तो हा LIC मार्फत पुरवला जातो किंवा अदर इन्शुरन्स कंपनीसुद्धा तिथं प्रोव्हाइड करत असतात. आणि त्यामुळं काय होतं तर गेनफुल इन्व्हेस्टमेंट होतात आणि ड्यू टू दॅट ह्यूज इन्व्हेस्टमेंट it is responsible for creating the employment opportunity and indirectly it is leads to the economic growth. This is all about the importance. In this content we studied the seven points. One is the providing safety and security apart from the safety regarding business and even your life. The second one is all about general financial sources. Okay, the third one is about the life insurance encourage the savings. Next one is promote the economic growth. Next is the medical support. Nowadays you can see the effect of the COVID-19. Everybody has the medical insurance regarding COVID-19. But there are some regulation regarding getting the benefit of it. Always remember की आजारी पडलं म्हणजे तुम्ही म्हणाल की उद्या मॅडम सर्दी खोकला झाला तरी सुद्धा मला कॉम्पन्सेशन मिळणार का नाही तर त्याच्यासाठी क्रिटिकल इलनेस हवा आहे 24 आवर्सच्या वरती यू शुड बी द ॲडमिट हॉस्पिटलाइज्ड. तर हा जो काही क्रायटेरिया आहे तो आहे आणि इट इज अ टर्म इन्शुरन्स. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर एका वर्षासाठी असतो. आता मी समजा आत्ता इन्शुरन्स घेतलेला आहे 20 ऑक्टोबरला मी इन्शुरन्स घेतला तो पुढच्या 20 ऑक्टोबरपर्यंत चालू राहणार. ओके, आणि एक वर्षाचा त्यात कालावधी आहे. त्या वर्षभरात जर मी आजारी पडले तर आय विल गेट द बेनिफिट. जर वर्षभरानंतर मी आजारी पडले तर आय विल नॉट गेट बेनिफिट. तर हा एक मुद्दा तिथं आहे. परंतु कसं होतं आजकाल तुम्हाला माहिती क्रिटिकल इलनेसनं कुणीही कधीही अनएक्सपेक्टेडली आजारी पडू शकतं. तर विथ द हेल्प ऑफ दॅट यू कॅन कवर द ट्रीटमेंट एक्सपेन्सेस. कारण तुम्हाला माहीतच आहे की आजकाल हॉस्पिटलायझेशनचा खर्च किती झालेला आहे. ओके, अँड अपार्ट फ्रॉम दॅट द स्प्रेडिंग ऑफ रिस्क मीन्स द शेअरिंग ऑफ रिस्क. सो द बर्डन ऑफ एनीबडी इज नॉट फील बाय द पीपल्स. म्हणजे की माझ्यावर बर्डन आले असं कुणालाच वाटत नाही. कारण काय करतोय आपण छोट्या छोट्या अमाऊंटचे प्रीमियम सगळ्यांकडनं गोळा करतोय आणि ते जो काही फंड कलेक्ट होतोय तो ॲज अ कॉम्पन्सेशन म्हणून डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करतोय. सो तिथं कुणालाही असं बॉदरेशन वाटायची गरज नाही आहे की इट इज ह्यूज अमाऊंट इम्प्लिमेंट ऑन मी अँड ऑल. ओके, इट इज व्हेरी easy. The next one is a large number of person get the insurance policy and pay the premium to the insurance. Whenever the loss occur, it is compensated in the fund of insurance. The next one is a source of collecting fund. The large fund is collected by the way of premium. These funds are utilized in the industrial development and the country, which accelerate the economic growth, employment opportunity, and increase by such a big investment. Thus, the insurance has become the important source of capital formation. Means the fund is invested into the infrastructural development, so it is creating the gainful employment always, and it is also responsible indirectly. It is also responsible for capital formation and economic growth. This is all about the importance of insurance. On the next lecture we are going to study the principle of insurance. Okay, we will stop here. We continue on the next lecture. Thank you so much.